There are several reasons why Japanese women are perceived as attractive worldwide, largely due to cultural background and individual charm. The following points are commonly noted. 1. Politeness and culture. Japanese culture highly values politeness and education, which often creates a favorable impression internationally. 2. Appearance awareness. There is a high awareness of beauty and fashion, and a well-groomed appearance tends to be appreciated in many cultures. 3. Interest in cultural diversity. Unique aspects of Japanese culture such as anime, manga, and Japanese cuisine are popular internationally, increasing interest in people associated with these cultural elements. 4. Gentle personality. Many are known for their mild and kind personalities, which are thought to contribute to their approachability. These factors work together to make Japanese women appealing globally. However, this is a generalization, and individual characteristics and charms vary widely.